how you can take your completed digital product document and link it into something like this that your buyers would download. So if you purchased one of my templates, then you know that it's already come with these digital download templates for you. So I'm just going to use this one as an example. I'm going to show you two different ways to link your document here. The first way I'm going to show you is if you wanted your buyers to access the file that you created in Canva. Open the file you created and click the Share button in the upper right-hand corner. Then you're going to click on Template Link, Create Template Link. This means that when somebody will click on this link right here, a notice will come up that looks something like this on their screen that says, your name created a template for you, and then your buyer would just click the purple button that says to start using the template. And it will not mess up your original file. So you're going to click copy, go back to the instruction page, and then where you want your buyers to click in order to access the template, you'll go ahead and select the text there. And then this little ellipses symbol, you're going to click that. Link, and paste that template link, and then you're good to go. I like to remove the underline here. I think it looks cleaner. Let's say I've already edited all of these images and these links as well, and I'm ready to download this file as a PDF and have that be the document that I upload to Etsy. So you're going to click Share, Download, change the file type to PDF Standard, and click Download. All right, so here is what that PDF file would look like. So pretend that I have edited all of these images here. What I really want to show you is the link. So your buyer would click here, and this is the message that they'll see. A template was created by, and it will have your name here, or whatever name you put into Canva. And it says Start Designing Now. So your customer would just scroll down and click Edit Template, and that would create a new file for them. So again, it's not going to mess with your original template. The other way that you can link your product into this download template, if you did not want them to have access to the Canva template, but you wanted them to view it as a PDF, is you're going to go into your Gmail account. So you will need a Gmail account. It is free. You don't need a business version. Just start a free Gmail account. Make sure you have already downloaded your digital file as a PDF. You're going to select New, File Upload, find your file, wait for that to finish uploading. Once that's done, you will click on the file, select Share in the upper right corner, change the access to anyone with a link, select Copy Link, and done. Then you're going to want to open up a Word document or some other place where you can type freely, and you are going to paste that link that you just copied. Now what we want to do here is identify what is called the file ID for the file that you just uploaded into Google Drive. And the file ID can be found right after this file/d/ symbol and before the slash and view. So this part right here that I'm going to put in orange is the file ID. That file ID will be important for this next step. You want to copy and paste this link right here because this is what is going to make your link an automatic download for your buyers. So once you have this copied and pasted, you will go ahead and take that file ID, take it out of there, paste it up here, and now this link is complete. So when your buyer clicks this link, it is going to make that digital file automatically download for them. So I'm going to copy this whole thing here, head back into my digital downloaded instruction template, select the text where I want the link to be, click on the ellipses and click link, and I'm going to paste that link in there and select enter. I'm going to download this as a PDF. just to show you what that would look like for your buyers. All right, so this is what your buyers would see when they download the file directly from Etsy. So they are going to click here to access their purchase. It should just automatically download that file for you. See, that went right to my downloads. And there it is in a PDF version. I hope this is helpful, but as always, if you have any questions about how to put this together, please don't hesitate to send me a message on Etsy.